there, I'm Chantal from RapidStudio, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a love album. Great for Valentine's Day, anniversaries, or just because. We're going to be using our love theme template today, which is pre-designed with beautiful artwork that is love infused and makes celebrating your love and telling your story super fun and easy. Let's get started. Jump on the RapidStudio website, click on photo books and more designs. Choose your size and the theme you want. We're choosing love today. As the book opens, you'll see the design pages display across the bottom. Next, we need to import our pictures. Click on Galleries and click Upload Gallery. Give your gallery a name and click Create Gallery. Click on the gallery you just made and click Upload Images at the bottom. Click on the blue button to go to a directory on your computer to upload, or the QR code to upload directly from your phone. To upload pictures from your phone, open your camera and point it at the QR code on your screen. You'll see a website link appear. Click on that and it'll take you to the directory on your phone. Tell it where you want to go on your photo library. I choose my favorites album because that's how I shortlist my pictures, and just select the pictures you'd like uploaded into your album and click Add. Give it a minute while it uploads to the cloud and imports them into the gallery on the left hand side there. I'm demonstrating the other alternative at the moment. I've gone to a directory on my computer where my pictures are stored, and there you go, I've loaded them into the gallery. And if you have a look above the top, you'll just see a little autofill button that will automatically populate your book with your pictures. And there you go, that's done. First thing I want to pay attention to is my cover. I'm going to click cover options and choose option 1, 2 or 3. I like option 1 the best, and I don't think this is a great cover photo, so I'm just going to click in a different picture and adjust it that I want to use for my cover picture. I want to recenter this one. Just click until you have compass on compass and move it. We're going to change out this picture and go to our next page, and we're going to swap a few pictures so that it tells a better story. And now I'm swapping a picture out and using the zoom button to zoom in and recenter my picture, compass on compass. A popular change is the layout to your page. You're just going to click on layouts and it's divided into number of pictures per pages. Choose the one you want and it appears, and just drag in the pictures you want to fill those spaces. I'm going to want this text against high contrast background so I can see it nicely. So I'm just going to play around with this clip art so that I can see it nicely. That looks good. And I think I'm done, so I'm just going to click the preview button so I can look at my book cleanly and just preview everything and see that everything is centered, the pictures are where I want them, before I commit to printing my photo book. I'm happy with how that looks, so I'm going to click the blue shopping cart in the top right hand corner, and I can follow the prompts there to conclude my order. RapidStudio has loads of love-inspired gift ideas. If you're looking for something to celebrate the love you share, jump onto our Valentine's gift ideas page and have a browse to find the perfect gift for your love.